Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to view and edit embedded dashboards in the StackBlitz developer playground. Let's explore the sample browser page, which consists of a variety of dashboard examples under various domains. Here, we have also provided support for customizing Bold BI embedded dashboards with the StackBlitz developer playground, allowing you to edit, preview, and debug dashboard properties in real time. We'll use the Quality Management Dashboard under the construction industry to explore the Bold BI APIs using StackBlitz. Click here to render the dashboard. This dashboard helps construction companies manage and monitor the quality of their projects. On the right side of this page, you'll find a list of API categories for things like general events, dashboard actions, the layout, the designer, and more. Let's start exploring our APIs under the general events category. Expand the General Events category and hover over Events Before Render Dashboard. Click the kebab menu icon that appears, and then click Edit in StackBlitz. Now the StackBlitz Developer Playground will be loaded in a new tab. The Event Before Render Dashboard API event is triggered before the dashboard is rendered to let you know that the dashboard rendering process has been initiated. The event type is Render Dashboard, and the event occurs at Action Begin. Because of this, we receive a notification before the dashboard renders. Click OK so that the dashboard will be loaded in the Preview panel. You'll find three panels in your view: an API Properties panel, an API Editor panel, and a Dashboard Preview panel. You can add, alter, or update dashboard properties in the Editor panel. Let's customize the dashboard. Here I have added a Dashboard Settings property and set the dashboard header and theme as false. Now click Fork. The project will be forked, and the dashboard in the preview panel will no longer have its header and theme support. Similarly, if you want to do any action before rendering the dashboard, you can add code by using this event. You can also explore all APIs under this section. To know more about each API and its properties, you can find the API's documentation in this video's description. Let's switch to developer mode to see the sample embed code. On this sample embed code page, we are going to see major functionality supported to embed the dashboard. Here on the left side panel, you can see features, events, and embedding live showcase samples. At the top of the page, you will see a drop-down where we provide support for three languages: JavaScript, Angular, and React, for achieving this embedding sample code. You can view this embedded sample code by choosing any of these based on your needs. Let's explore the default rendering functionality. Here you can see 4 embedding samples that we support. Let me show a demo for the embedding dashboard option. This sample describes how to embed a Bold BI dashboard into your application using either the dashboard identifier or the dashboard path through JavaScript member APIs. Here you can see the title bar and visualization pane. The title bar consists of a demo section and a sample code section. The demo section splits into 2 sections: the dashboard section, which shows a selected dashboard, and a properties section, where you can apply embedding properties. The sample code section shows the embedding code sample of the dashboard rendered. To explore the view mode, the edit mode, and the create mode, select the embed mode dropdown from the properties panel, and then select the dashboard from the dashboard listing, and then click the load dashboard tab. Here I have selected the view mode and the school management dashboard. By clicking load dashboard, the dashboard will be rendered. In the sample code section, you can ensure the code changes for this dashboard embedding. Similarly, you can also explore all the major functionalities supported to embed the dashboard. Next, you can explore these ad hoc reporting and data security showcase samples. Overall, we have showcased the APIs for Bold BI embedded dashboards in a way that allows you to explore them, which includes editing, changing themes, and more. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have, or any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.